SenseDrive helps you use AI in your daily work, not as a separate tool, but as part of your existing systems and processes. You can simply ask questions. For example, show me all current projects and their status. SenseDrive collects the information across systems and returns a structured answer. This replaces manual searching across multiple tools and documents. Every answer is backed by real sources. SenseDrive shows exactly where the information comes from, including the original document and the relevant section. This means you can verify every answer. If your documentation contains conflicting information, SenseDrive detects it. It highlights inconsistencies and shows the conflicting sources, so you can identify outdated or incorrect knowledge. SenseDrive does more than answer questions. It can execute predefined tasks, for example, generating reports, creating documentation, or processing data across systems. Tasks are reusable and structured. The results are not just text. SenseDrive generates structured outputs. For example, reports, documents, or tickets ready to be used in your workflow. SenseDrive connects to your existing systems, such as documentation, project tools, and internal data sources. This ensures that AI works with real company data. Access and data usage are controlled. SenseDrive works within a governed environment, so sensitive information stays protected. You can also interact using voice, making access faster and easier for everyday use. SenseDrive combines all of this in one platform: access knowledge, trust the answers, detect issues, execute tasks, all connected to your systems. SenseDrive turns AI into a practical tool for daily work.